In the grand theater of life, the quest for a healthier self often feels like an uphill battle, fraught with trials and tribulations. We've all felt the sting of setbacks, the rush of small victories, and the quiet strength that comes from resilience. Enter Ikaria, a beacon of revolution in the realm of weight management. Ikaria is not just a product, it is a testament to the power of science, innovation, and the human spirit. It harnesses the power of natural ingredients, coupled with groundbreaking research, to help you navigate the path to a healthier you. The secret behind Ikaria's efficacy lies in its unique blend of nutrients and botanical extracts that work in harmony with your body. It aids in boosting metabolism, curbing cravings, and promoting a sense of fullness. But that's not all. Ikaria is a testament to the philosophy that weight management is not a destination, but a journey. A journey of self-discovery, of embracing healthier habits, and of celebrating every milestone, however small. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from the scores of nutritionists, fitness experts, and everyday heroes who have embraced the Ikaria revolution. Their stories of transformation are not just inspiring, they are a testament to the power of determination, of perseverance, and above all, of belief in oneself. As the narrative unfolds, a call to action reverberates. It's not a plea, but an invitation to embark on a journey of self-improvement, to join a community of individuals who are redefining their relationship with health and wellness. With an exclusive time-sensitive offer, the time to act is now. The Ikaria revolution is here. It's not just about shedding weight, it's about embracing a healthier, more vibrant life. It's about celebrating every victory, every milestone, and every moment of self-discovery. The journey to a better you begins here. Embrace the change, embrace Ikaria. Your journey to a better you begins with a single click. The link to Ikaria, your beacon of revolution, is conveniently located in the description below. We invite you to click it to start your journey, to embrace the change. Embrace Ikaria. Don't hesitate. Don't wait for tomorrow or next week. The time is now. Click the link in the description and start your journey with Ikaria today. Because with Ikaria, the change you seek is just a click away.